Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how to make use of your seam ripper and what the red dots on the seam ripper means, how to use the seam ripper effectively. This is one of the basic tools that we use daily as fashion designers and tailors to make dresses. Okay, so when making dresses we use it daily. Come along, let's begin. So this is my seam ripper, and can you see the red dots? I'm going to show you how to use your seam ripper. Instead of using it this way, that is putting it the sharp part underneath the fabric, you are going to turn it, open up a bit of your fabric and put in the red dot. You see that red dot part? Can you see how effectively it is to loosen your work? So you put the red dot area inside the fabric and you can just drag it, and at the end of the day you've gotten a very neat and perfect finishing after losing. If you put the red dot on top, it's going to be difficult to have this, but if you put it underneath, this is going to give you a very good job. So this is basically it. I just wanted to show you this beautiful idea, and so that you'll be able to lose your dress or whatever you are making effectively. See how neat it is after losing it. Thank you so much guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. God bless you and have a nice beautiful day. Bye guys.